Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your main course book. This is chapter number 10, A Strange Transformation, adapted from the Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. Metamorphosis means transformation, or you can say change from one form to another. So before moving on to the story, let us know something about the author. Franz Kafka, 1883 to 1924, was a novelist and short story writer. He was born in Prague, Czech Republic. Kafka wrote in German as well as in Czech. He was awarded the degree of Doctor of Law on 18 July 1906. Kafka's first collection of stories, Contemplation, was published in 1908. He gained fame with works such as The Metamorphosis 1915 and A Hunger Artist 1924. The story begins in this way. One morning, as Gregor Samsa, a traveling salesman. So, who was Gregor Samsa? He was a traveling salesman. When he woke up, he discovered that in bed he had been transformed or changed into a large bug. So he lay on his armor hard back and saw, as he lifted his head up a little, his brown arched abdomen divided up into rigid bow-like sections. His numerous legs, pitifully thin in comparison to the rest of his body, flickered helplessly before his eyes. Wondering what has happened, he looked around his room where everything appeared normal. He saw the fabric samples he used, the picture which he had cut out of a magazine and framed, and the rain dripping outside his window. He tried to roll over and go back to sleep in order to forget what has happened, but because of the shape of his back, he could only rock from side to side. So you can understand his condition. Feeling sore from his effort, Gregor thought about what a difficult job he has and the fact that his constant traveling, worries about train connections, irregular bad food prevented him from making any lasting friendship. He thought he would quit from his job if his parents and sister did not depend so much on his income. Suddenly he realized that he has overslept. He turned to the clock to see the time and saw he was late and therefore missed his train to work. He did not have a good excuse also to give to his boss. Gregor then heard his mother's knock at the door. She came to remind him that he has to catch the train to work. But when Gregor responded, he found that his voice has also changed. His father, Gret, his sister, joined his mother at the door, urging him to get up and unlock it, means to open the door, because that day he was very late. They suspected that he might be ill. Gregor twisted, managing to turn sideways and dangle off his bed, because he needed arms and hands to push himself upright. Instead of this, however, he had only many small limbs which were moving continuously with very different motions, and which, in addition, he was unable to control. So he could not get up also. Then the doorbell rang. The office manager himself came to find out why Gregor has not turned up to work. Gregor rocks his body violently and finally tumbles to the floor. Hearing the loud noise, the manager thought that something might have fallen in the room, because the manager and Gregor's family, they actually did not know that what has happened with Gregor. So his family was also looking forward to see if everything was all right. Till then, Gregor did not come out of his room. Right? So children, hope you have understood this short story. So your class assignment for today is, you have to answer these questions. Number 1, who was Gregor Samsa? Number 2, identify the author of this chapter. Number 3, where was Franz Kafka born? Number 4, what did Gregor Samsa discover one morning? Your home assignment is read the chapter thoroughly and learn the word meanings. You have to go through the difficult words also. Thank you, children.